have to have a self-image of a winner. Kasi pag ang self-image mo, panalo ko, hindi ako matatalo. Kahit anong mangyari, mananalo ka talaga. Pero pag di maganda yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, again, it will reflect with how you talk, how you walk, how you stand, how you interact, how you behave. From a structure, you can then build what we call a culture. Because a structure has to be micromanaged. And it's okay to do that. When you micromanage a structure, when it becomes a culture, this is self-managed. Your self-image dictates your behavior, your decisions, your lens, how you see things, and more importantly, the results that are manifesting in your life. And even if you get results from a low self-image, the results won't stay. It won't be sustainable. Wolfforge can now sustain the sales and the system, right? It's because of this. It's because there's a culture. Nagbago ang self-image ng mga may-ari. Most of the time, you simply cannot blame your team. Kasi baka mamaya, nagtataka ka, bakit hindi ko makuha yung team na gusto ko? Baka hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin kasi nagbabago yung self-image mo.